Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch on a grey and moderate June 2026 day. We're out here on the forecourt grabbing 2 minutes to do a quick video on some of our used stock, and this is a very rare one. It's a beautiful 2013 Murvi Morocco. So Murvi, they're based in Lee Mill, so we're in South Devon, Newton Abbot, just off the A38 South Devon Expressway. Exeter's there, Plymouth's there, and Lee Mill's just between here and Plymouth basically, so about 15-20 minutes away. Murvi have been going since certainly since the 1980s, and they build incredibly high quality, slightly different, innovative maybe, shall we say, van conversions. Probably only do 50 a year, maybe top, something like that. Do a few different models, and they are in many ways the kings of the front lounge van conversion. That's always been their thing. So best known for the Morello, which has won many awards. The Morocco turned up, I don't know, maybe this might be one of the first Moroccos, I'm not sure, certainly maybe 2012-ish, if not 2013, and it takes the best-selling layout of the Morello, but adds a little twist, which we'll see more when we go inside. So based on the Fiat or the Ford, but most of the Fiat, gives you a bit more space, and more laterally, a bit more reliability. This is a 6-metre one, they do a 6.3, which is Morocco XL. Let's have a little look at the tail of the tape anyway. So it's a Fiat Cato based Murvi Morocco, it's from 2013. It's got the end L-shaped kitchen, it's automatic, which is good. Murvi's are very expensive vans new, so you will see a reasonably high ratio of them with the automatic gearboxes. If someone was paying a lot, they'd pay a little bit more for the auto. 2 berth, 2 seat belts, 3.5 tonne, giving you a decent payload. It's got the 2.3 Iveco based unit, which is brilliant, automatic 6-speed. Only done 22,000 miles, it's not been busy. Length is 5.99, body width's actually 2.05, height is about 2.65. Price is 38,995, which actually for a Murvi of its age is correctly priced. So silver metallic, black bumpers, some slight fading on the Fiat badge. We'll point out any sort of negatives and signs of wear as we go around. It is 13-year-old, but it is in very good condition. So we've got wheel trims, which look fine, to be fair. They look like alloys, but it's got the 16-inch wheels, which is important because that rides better than the 15s. Good tyres. It's the 150 horsepower engine, so standard was 130, and they did a 150 and a 180. Most were 130, so this 150 has a bit of extra oomph. Got some slight clouding on the headlights just starting off, but again, it's 13 years old, it's enough to have that, and we will sort of clean her up before they go. Mirror guards, protective mirror casings over the top of the wing mirrors. We've got a drip strip up there and a full length Fiamma awning in silver. Nice wide entrance step, double glazed windows all the way around, big lounge window. Murvi's are all about the feeling of space and letting light in. Not one but 2 kitchen windows, both sliding, so you can open them and not worry about them hitting them with the sliding door. Inboard fresh water tank stops it freezing up. We've got a gas barbecue point, and that runs off of the gas tank, which is underneath the van. Coming round to the back, we've got a handy tow bar, which you can use for bikes, and a high level reversing camera. Opening up the back doors, we've got a loo with a view, and then across from there, the back of both of your water tank and your fridge, which you can't get an easier fridge to keep clean and to work on than that one. So it's a 3-way fridge freezer. I'll have a look at more on the inside stuff from the inside. So it's on the Maxi chassis, so I have to check that it's registered at 3.5 tonne or if it's heavier than that. We've got a Thetford cassette toilet with a SOG system, which is a suction fan to create a vacuum to help break down your waste. On the roof there's a solar panel, and there's also a TV aerial there. So we've got mains hookup, solar panel, leisure battery. Might be 2 leisure batteries, I'm not sure, normally only 1. Lounge window, big lounge window again. Gas tank filler point for your large underslung gas tank. That you can fill up with LPG from a petrol station, home and abroad, and it only runs your fridge and your cooker, so it could run forever in this, because everything else has got the brilliant Webasto dual top diesel heating system. Cab blinds, comes up and magnetizes. Garmin sat-nav with reversing camera. It's old, we don't guarantee it, but it is there, we will check it. Gauge for your gas tank. Bluetooth Kenwood stereo system with hands-free for your phone calls. So we've got the automatic gearbox there, so it's a 6-speed semi-auto. It's very economical, it's actually a robotised manual gearbox. We've got traction plus traction control, heated wing mirrors, cruise control and air conditioning. Oh, no cruise control, how unusual. So yeah, no cruise, but it does have aircon in the auto box. A cab blind pulls up from the front there, and both your cab seats will swivel around. So yeah, condition is very good on the outside, just needs a clean up, and the bumpers sort of blacken up a little bit, which will do, but it's in good order. There's no sort of bodywork damage. There's going to be the odd little stone chip and things like that there, because it is not new, but there's nothing I can see, no flaky paint. There's a little stone chip up there. Is it no, it's come off that. Yeah, that's all fine. So coming in the inside, and you open up into the reason why you buy a Murvi Morocco, or any Murvi to be fair. We've got a massive front lounging space, so you can open up your side door, let the view in, let the air in, relax and enjoy your surroundings. And that's something that the front lounge van conversions really excel in. So Murvi have always done this sort of carpeted finish, which actually is really fashionable at the moment. Something you'll see Hymer and other manufacturers have really started doing recently. The issue Murvi have is if a lot of them were blues or reds and greens, whereas this is a symphony in beige, and I think it looks really good for it. So add a couple of splashes of colour and you could really sort of modernise the van, so it doesn't look dated, because it was sort of never modern in the first place in a way. But yeah, a much more acceptable colour palette than most. So everything was carpeted, and obviously the carpet is 13 years old, so you've got a little mark on it there. Rest of it's very clean still, to be fair, and there are plenty of carpets companies out there who will, whenever necessary, recarpet the floor, but actually it's in good order. So your side seat, this is the party piece with Morocco, so this will fold down and then come into a double bed of a very good size, or you can split it. So it folds down and then it splits with one half coming over here, so then you'll have single down there, a wider single down that side, and you've got two, let's say 6 foot plus single beds which you can access easily to get out. Now, even as a double, the access is very, very good, to be fair, but those infill cushions go further down the side by the window there to make it a wider double, or make that a wider single. But yeah, so you can have it as a double or single bed. That's what made the Morocco special over the Morello, which you couldn't do that with. So you've got a heater vent there. Do excuse me snuffling, I know people complain about it. I do have terrible hay fever. Not a lot I can do about that, apart from stop doing videos, but we'll persevere if you can put up with it. So heater vent was there. Heating system is there. So that's Webasto dual top. So runs on diesel. I think it runs on mains electric as well, but don't hold me to that, but I'm pretty sure it does. And that heats your van, heats your hot water. Then got simple gauges for your fresh water, for your batteries and whatever the heck that is. Is it a weather station or something? I genuinely don't know. TV, it's got a Murvi fitted TV. We don't check or guarantee that, but it's with it sort of thing, so we'll leave it there. Nice big roof light in the roof, nice padded roofing as well. Good storage over the cab. What have we got there? So we've got some silver screens, which you don't need because you've got the cab blinds, but they're insulating ones up there. Really like these plastic cabinets which Murvi have done as well, and they were sort of ahead of the time in many ways. And it's all the floor space, and the feeling of space is just marvellous. So you've got this really, I mean, look how thick that is. They're proper quality vans, they are. More sockets over there, more upholstered bits. I love that space there. You could just use it for something, I don't know what for, but it's a useful area. But brilliant kitchen, massive L-shaped kitchen, factory fitted microwave up the top, and then you've got what, 3 gas burner hob, I'm guessing, 4 gas burner hob, wow. Grill underneath, and then a 3-way fridge freezer. The fridge shelves are showing signs of degradation. That's just how it is, sort of thing. Nature pure water filter taps being added, so we don't again guarantee aftermarket extras, but that's filtered water, takes the taste out of your water from your freshwater tank. And yeah, acres of workspace, big cupboard space, and all very solid. You can fold that down there as well. Massive wardrobe for all your clothes, big freestanding table, hanging rail, TV aerial up there, second table which goes into a hole on the passenger seat, and another big storage cupboard underneath. And then your wet room bathroom, which we saw from the outside, with a Dometic cassette toilet with a ceramic toilet bowl, shower hose, roof light for ventilation, and 1, 2, 3 storage cupboards. So it's a lovely thing. It's not new, but it's very good quality and won't let you down. So 2013 Murvi Morocco at Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch. So we'll give this van a major engine service, a full MOT, a full habitation service. We'll do the cam belt if it's within a year and needing doing, and give it a proper good valet. Not that it's smoky or doggy, it's very straight. It's just showing the odd sod mark here and there, so but for its age it's in excellent condition. So yeah, major engine service, cam belt if it's within a year of needing one, full habitation service, NCC approved, with a printout showing you what we've checked, changed and sorted. Valet, 6 months in-house warranty covering all mechanical and habitational features, factory fitted, and that's in-house with us. That means Highbridge pays the bill if it goes wrong. No other dealer of any size warranties the van out of their pocket, but trust me, compared to the insurance backed ones other dealers buy, it's way better. Roof mounted 2-way fan up there as well, very handy for when you're cooking or for some air movement at night. So if you're interested in this van, we have had a lot of interest in it and we've nearly sold it a few times, so I think it will go soon. So do give us a buzz on 01626 832 792 and hit motorhome sales. Text or WhatsApp the motorhome hotline 07432 662 558. That will get you through to myself or one of my colleagues. Come and see us, Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch. If you're from nearer Somerset, once you've bought the van, we'll send it up there for collection and prepping, and take it back there for any warranty work. Or check us on our brand new, freshly renovated and actually really good highbridgecaravans.co.uk website, and ask us about the wonderful world of the Murvi Morocco 2013. Thank you very much. Goodbye.